Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Alicia, and for today's video I will be giving you complete information about the current status from Goa. So finally we have some confirmed great news, and in today's video I will be covering topics such as casinos, your river cruise, water sports and your nightclub as well. So watch this video till the end to get complete information about what's open and what are the guidelines that you should be following as a tourist when you enter Goa. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on that notification icon so that you get notified as and when I release videos, because I release videos almost on a daily basis from Goa, giving you complete information and updates about what's happening here. So I also make fun videos on food, accommodation and travel. So if you haven't been to my channel as yet, do subscribe and go check out all of my videos that I've made. So the first thing about our casinos, well, so this has been the highest amount of asked question on my channel, whether or not our casinos open. And finally, we have some great news. Yes, for all those of you who have been waiting for the casinos to open, it is finally opened up for tourists, and it is functional and operational at 50% of the capacity. Just yesterday when I was passing Mandovi River, I have seen the casinos being completely filled, and there were people standing in queue to get inside, and it was totally lit. So I'm making another video on giving you updates of what's happening from there. So that will be in my next video, so stay tuned for that. So the things that you need to keep in mind if you want to enter any casino is that you need to have a negative COVID certificate, or you need to be vaccinated with both of your doses with a minimum time frame of 15 days from the time you've taken your second dose. So if you've taken your 2 doses of your vaccine and you waited for 16 days, you do not need to undergo any sort of a COVID test, and you can directly just show them your vaccination certificate and enter the casino. So for all those of you who've not taken any vaccination as yet, or you've taken 1 dose, then you will need to have a COVID negative certificate which is valid for within 72 hours. So for all those of you who have a limited time frame, for entering the casino, and it has to be within 72 hours, the best thing is that, you probably head towards the casino maybe the first or the second day itself while you are in Goa. So I've made another video and it's up here. I have given you complete information about, for all those of you who are traveling from Kerala, what are the norms that you need to follow, and also giving you a lot of updates. So go check that out, and I'll link that in the description box as well. So moving on to the next topic, which is about your river cruise. So the river cruises are finally opened up as well, and they are operational. And at this point in time, it's the same thing that applies. So you will need a COVID negative certificate if you're not, fully vaccinated, which is your 2 doses. Or if you're fully vaccinated, it needs to be at least valid for 15 days from the time you've taken your second dose. So in this case, you are allowed to take your river cruises as well. So the next is about your water sports. This is another hot question that I keep getting asked all the time. In my last video, I've mentioned saying that, there are possibilities that water sports could open from the 15th of September, according to the government of Goa. But unfortunately, that did not happen because of the monsoon season, and everything was being pushed slightly, beyond. So currently, at this point in time, it is still raining in Goa. However, it is not continuously raining, but I think this is probably the end of monsoon, and the rain should stop by the end of September. So from October onwards, everything will be completely open, and your water sports and everything should open from the month of October. But at this point in time, you are allowed to take a swim in the beach, not very far off, but of course you have your lifeguards watching over you. You can take a shallow dip in the beach. That is allowed. So we'll have to wait for another few more days for your water sports to 100% be functional. However, your dolphin trips are open at this point in time. So some great news for all you party animals out there. So we have the curfew in place in Goa, which was active until 11 p.m. and everything was supposed to shut by 11 p.m. in the night. So at this point in time, clubs are open till 3, 4, or even 5 in the morning. So they're completely open without any restrictions or anything as such. So which is an amazing news for all of you party lovers. So famous clubs such as Tito's, Mambo's, Sink, and all of them are currently operational, and they're open till wee hours in the morning. So the last thing is about whether or not you should be traveling to Goa at this point in time. Is it a good idea to come down now? Well, it is, because everything is absolutely normal. Everything is back to how it was. So it is a great time for you to plan that most awaited trip to Goa. Well, so that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do subscribe to the channel, help me grow, show me some love, and till the time we meet again in my next video, bye for now.